Hi and welcome back. I am your host, the Edgy Veg. Thanks for joining us so far.
They're very loud pants. These are my fancy sweatpants. So I'm wearing sweatpants today so I can eat. Hi friends, it's Candace and Louie again.
Hello.
We recently did a taste test that you guys loved, and you asked us to do it again. You wanted to see more of his face, so here it is.
Ta-da!
So we asked you guys on my Instagram page what products you wanted us to try, so we grabbed a bunch and we're gonna try them. I thought because there's a lot of stuff that we had to cook, I've cooked some of it, but I thought that we would start with
pork balls.
So these are the Gardein meat-free porkless bites, sweet and sour, good source of protein, ready in 9 minutes, sauce pack included. Okay, my instant gripe about this is look at the size of the package and then look how much you get.
Yes, slightly overkill.
Like the package is overkill, not the amount. The
Correct.
amount is terrible.
Yes, there's a good quality product shot for you.
There you go.
There you go.
There you go. I cooked it up on the stove. You get like no product and a lot of
You need
sauce.
too much sauce. These are already soused to hell. Ladies first.
Yeah.
I mean, if you're
I'm not mad at it.
if you're hosting like a party or something like that, you need some hors d'oeuvres.
Hors d'oeuvres.
Hors d'oeuvres. These are okay. Really salty.
They're very salty.
It's only salty in like the first instant you put it in your mouth, and then the sort of overall blandness of the actual pork ball itself kind of balances it out. Neither here nor there.
Yeah, I'm not mad at it. I don't know if I'm like, yeah, this is amazing.
But
It's hard to talk over that.
I'm an enthusiastic eater.
So it looks like it's made with wheat gluten and soy protein. So it's like a seitan. All right, should we move on to the next thing? I think they're done.
Okay, we got Starlight Cuisine, corn tortilla, taquitos, chorizo and black bean style, plant-based, non-dairy, no trans fat, no cholesterol, all natural, hand-rolled, corn tortillas with soy protein, black beans, and authentic spices.
Is it muy picante?
No, I don't know.
Oh.
I just like saying that.
Okay, so you get this box and you get 6.
Fine.
This is again for one person.
I don't buy taquitos.
You could fit so many more than 6 in here.
When has packaging ever fit
Listen.
the appropriate serving found within?
But I mean, we could at least
Ever.
package the appropriate serving. Like, this is for one person. Like, I would have to eat all of these in order to get full. So you'd have to buy like 4 boxes if you have a family of 4. Maybe it's just like for lonely people.
Special edition, veggie veg, food for lonely people. And that's what, pretty much all of us?
Literally my outfit today. Sweatpants, no makeup. So it looks like it's a corn tortilla, so it's pretty flaky and falling apart.
Holy hell.
Uh-huh.
The end is,
Tastes like cardboard.
yeah, the end is chewy as hell.
I'm just gonna go back to the pork bites while I wait for that to cool down.
I'm done with that.
They don't like it.
Well, Starlight Cuisine, you got a lot of work cut out for you, bud.
Why is it so chewy?
Because it tastes like it's wrapped in like 10-day-old corn tortilla, microwaved, then frozen, and then, you know like when you microwave something like bread, and you wait too long and it starts getting like hard and chewy? That's what this is like, but like an old version of it that we've reheated it.
So these are Kintu's chocolate sandwich creme cookies, free from nuts, gluten, soy, dairy, and peanuts. And then it says product enlarged to show texture. Well, no shit, I didn't think I was getting cookies this big.
Can we just call it what it is? It's a Bush League Oreo.
Kinnick. They're like Oreos, but probably shittier. So
We have a slight addiction problem to Oreos.
okay, so here's the thing.
We actually have to get, I'm telling you a story.
Sorry.
We actually have to get, see, I eat double stuffed. She eats regular.
Yeah, you
So
will
I
eat
have to get 2 different boxes to keep in this house.
Okay, so I actually got these because I thought that they were going to be a palm oil free version of Oreos. So many people have issues with palm oil. I mean, palm oil is not great. Maybe I just don't read. I didn't realize it was gluten free. I mean, they look kind
I
of
can
like...
already feel the cheap quality of this
It looks like a...
bastardized version of an Oreo.
It just kind of disintegrates into your mouth.
Yeah, there's no structural integrity to the cookie itself.
Oh, see? It's falling. I have a texture thing and I can't do that.
It's the cookie part.
It's so weird.
I will not subject myself to this any longer.
Next. So last time we tried the field roast corn dogs and we were not impressed. So you guys overwhelmingly told us to try these Yves corn dogs. They are veggie corn dogs from Yves Veggie Cuisine, vegetarian, 50% less fat than meat corn dogs, cholesterol free, uncooked, 4 per package. I like mine with mustard. I'm just gonna go.
You didn't get me ketchup.
So I'm gonna try it on its own first. I mean, I love the smell. It smells like a corn dog.
Mr. Corn Dog.
I have to rinse.
Oh my god.
I have to rinse my mouth because all I'm tasting are those terrible fake Oreos.
God damn it, that was hot.
Okay, now I'm gonna go in. I'm just gonna dip it right into the mustard container because it's mine. I eat it. So it's not gross. Mmm.
Over the last ones that we tried, the tasting is on point.
Yeah, I would love to see their hot dog from Field Roast with this batter.
Was Field Roast the ones that we tried last time?
Yeah, that would be
Agreed.
the perfect hot dog. I like it. I love it. This is, oh, drunk?
Oh, hell yeah.
You did good.
Yeah, well done, subscribers.
I guess this one goes to the subscribers since they recommended it.
Yeah, I am most pleased with the result of this. We're all part beaver here in Canada. What you got for us, chef?
Well, I need you to finish that first. Stop being such a Virgo. We have the Vigo mini bar. So this is whole hazelnut sweet chocolate bar. Pardon me, mini. But we tried the white chocolate last time.
Ooh, of this brand?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
This is the OG version. You guys wanted us to try that. Vegan, gluten-free.
Death knife.
Oh, fuck it. Ooh. Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty good. There's something in that flavor though that's... Never mind.
I was a German girl that grew up with all the milk chocolate
It's Fräulein.
and all the hazelnut chocolate. My God.
There's something like a light, kind of like almost chemically flavor at the top of that. Do you see that? See
No.
that? Do you see that flavor?
No.
It's kind of throwing me off. All the flavors below that, like the creaminess of the chocolate, the hazelnut, like the actual chocolate flavor is pretty bang on. That's pretty legit in terms of
I like it. I will be
milk
buying
chocolate.
that again.
Now, there's anybody who really likes milk chocolate and has recently gone vegan or is still in search of one, this should scratch that itch quite well.
Okay, so what's up next?
Lightlife, plant-based bacon, original veggie. I have to admit, I have been so far critical of bacon through my plant-based transition. Cheese and bacon. I haven't found a home run on either one yet. Curious as to what the ingredients here are. So we have water, wheat, gluten, soy protein, isolate, soy oil, soy protein product, salt, carrageenan, I think I'm pronouncing that correctly, wheat flour, evaporated cane sugar, blah, 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 blah. So wheat and soy.
They're very, very, very hard to pull apart. That's why we have so many crumbles and pieces without homes or friends.
Looks like there's not much structural integrity here.
That tastes like nothing like bacon.
No, that just tastes like salt. That literally tastes like nothing.
And then salt.
And then salt. It almost tastes like a salty, crappy crepe. Like, it has like a bready kind of... No, I don't like that at all. I forgot!
So, because you talked about this in the last video, a lot of the wonderful Instagram followers suggested I get you some Tofutti Cuties. They are vegan ice cream sandwiches. So these are milk-free, no butter fat, lactose-free, dairy-free, all in caps, frozen dessert Tofutti Cuties chocolate kosher, 12 fluid ounce plus 16 wafers, 8 snacks. That's a weird way.
That's a very weird way of phrasing that. It's like Oreos, you don't say, like 2 cookies and filling. Okay, so this has crumbled in my freezer and not melted or not frozen properly.
So it looks like this monstrosity.
Are you talking about the ice cream sandwich or me?
Oh man, why is your freezer stuck?
Flavor profile is on point though.
You're fired. No, come back, I like you.
Although it's like on the verge of like actual total melting, thank you guys. That tastes really good. Now I'm usually a vanilla filling ice cream sandwich lover, and that's like childhood things. Like Oreos, ice cream sandwiches are like two of the things that I hold very dear in my life that are very nostalgic to me. And the ones that I've tried before, the cookie has not been, it's lacked that actual kind of like chocolatey, but this is as close to a normal ice cream sandwich as I've had so far.
Yay.
Except for that it's nearly melted.
Yeah, but that's your fault. Tofutti makes some bomb ice cream.
Well done.
We have the Meo Goes Tomorrows Creamery. Melts, bubbles, browns, and slices phenomenally. Perfect for pizza and caprese. Cashews fermented with live cultures. Vegan Moz.
I'm suspicious.
I was thinking that we would try this as it is. I mean, it's been out of the fridge for a little bit because we're filming. Try it as it is. And then I've also melted it onto a piece of bread to see how it melts because all I had was bread. Okay, so on its own.
I don't like the texture.
Well, it's been out of the fridge.
Flavor, that tastes like fucking cheese. Wow.
Very loud.
One of the things that I've not liked about the vegan cheeses that I've tried is that they lack that like tangy type of like sourness, but that has it.
Okay.
That has it. I don't like the texture though. Maybe it's better if it's like more
right out of the fridge.
Yeah, I feel like we should have made this more fresh.
You want to prep all the food next time? I think that the melted is very good. I can picture it on a pizza.
Yeah.
And it complementing a pizza very nicely.
I don't know if it's gonna be like, it's not gonna have like the stringiness of cheese on a pizza, but I can see it working well with the flavor profile. But the
So
flavor
I
tastes
have
like cheese.
seen people online put it in the freezer
That's a great idea.
and then grate it.
I would say that's good.
I like it. Would buy again.
Yeah, and that's definitely one of the better cheeses that I have tried so far. So,
Oh, little princess.
this is Harley. She's been watching apprehensively. We put her on a chair right next to us here, and she's been suffering. Look, you can hold her like a little baby. This is the content you really all came here for.
This is Winston.
That was like a 20% success rate.
Yeah.
Cookies were meh. The chocolate was good. Corn dogs were good. Actually, we're at like 30%.
Okay, so I like the corn dogs. I like the cheese. The bacon,
corn
like
dogs.
in a sandwich, maybe if you need some salt and you don't have any salt at home.
Yeah, if you literally don't have the condiment salt, that's a fine substitute, but don't expect anything else.
Vigo chocolate was really good.
Vigo chocolate was good. Everything else was crap.
All right, guys, thank you so much for joining us for our taste test today.
Thanks for stopping by.
Part 2. Let us know in the comment section below what products you want us to try next and if you want to see his face again.
Let me know which part of me pissing off the Edgy Veg was most amusing to you, and I will try to build off of that methodology.
If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye!